In this video, I show you how to fix YouTube something went wrong. Try again problem. For fixing this problem, just go to Play Store. Now check for YouTube update. Search YouTube. Click on it. Click on update. Now go to settings. Then go to apps. Then go to see all apps. Now search for YouTube app. Click on YouTube. Click on force stop. Click on OK. Now click on storage and cache. Clear cache. Clear storage. Then delete. Now open YouTube app. Now I hope that this method fix YouTube something went wrong problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.